What's up, everybody? We're going to be going over the question that everybody's been asking. What is comp in real estate wholesaling? Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. If you've been scratching your head at the term comp and not sure what it means in wholesaling, you found the right place. I'm going to explain to you what comping is, what the word comp is, and also how to comp properties. Today, we're going to be clarifying what the word comp means, and better yet, I'm going to be showing you a live breakdown of me comping a property with one of my students, so you can see a live action comping session, so you don't have to guess how to do it. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what comp means and when wholesaling real estate, understand its importance in your deals that you're doing, and see a live example of how to accurately determine comps. First, let's dive into what comp means. What the word comp means is just short for comparable sales. And what that does is the tool used to understand the after repair value of a property. So when you're selling a house, you know exactly what it's worth. Before I get into the next two tips, if you're liking what you're seeing already, please subscribe to this channel as it helps me grow and get this in front of more people so we can help them do more wholesale deals. Next, why are comps crucial in real estate wholesaling? Simply put, they help you price properties accurately so you come off credible to the sellers and the buyers you work with as a wholesaler. Now, before we dive into the live comping session that I did with a student, let's determine how you can find these comps. There's a lot of different ways where you can find comps. The MLS is honestly the best place you can go because it has the most accurate data. If you go to Redfin, Zillow, Realtor.com, there's a lot of different ways that you can comp properties for free, and you also have different services like Batch Leads and Privy that I use to comp my properties when I don't have MLS access. Why is it so important to have accurate data? If you want to know exactly if you're comping and pricing these properties with the right info, or you could be shooting too high on a property or shooting too low and missing out on deals. But you really need accurate data, and I'm actually going to show you how I'm using Privy right now to comp this deal that I have with one of my students. Let's dive right into this live video so you can see how I did it and how you can do it too. So usually when you're able to, usually when you're able to get a deal on a property, there's some kind of value add. Like it's either been on the market for a while, so there's something going on, or there's value add. This one looks like, obviously it's not like a brand new flip, but it looks fine to me. And we go down here and we can see some comps. So it's listed for $365. You can see that, a couple of these other homes have sold in the area for around $340. Let's see. It's saying that this is a potential comp that sold for $500,000. So it's saying that this might be a comp. Now you can't always go live and die by what it tells you because you never know. But I'm looking at this house, and this one's sold for $500,000, but the difference in the houses, let's see what the difference in the houses are. 3, 2, the square footage, similar. Lot size, 55,000. So let's go back and see if ours is kind of similar. So immediately, why did it sell for much more, David? I can see that.
5,000, yeah, to 7,000.
Yeah, the lot size is what got it. And this thing, so for me, I would say it's not really a comp. And this is what it's basically, saying, hey, this is an investor that flipped his house. Let's go over here. So we're seeing some 465s in here that are saying that they're decent comparables.
Just gonna move. I think my partner's coming in, so I don't I can adjust.
Let's see, 452. So I'm looking at this property, and I think because of the other comp that's at 500,000, this thing, kind of distorted this. I wouldn't say that this is something that I'm interested in. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's go to this one. So 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. We're going to look at this. Okay, is there a value add here? Looks decent. And then you go to the comps. If you are looking for truly turnkey home, so they're selling it as a turnkey. Now, we could always call on these and be like, pitch terms, like especially if it's been on the market for a while, and be like, hey, I can put a little bit down, pay your commission, blah blah blah. But it does look like it's sold in 4/26/23, and someone went in here, David, and just cleaned it up and is trying to relist it for 289. So someone already tried to do a little bitty flip in it. Does that make sense?
Sure, definitely.
So 426, and then bam, right there. Okay, so let's go to this one. Okay, there could be some value add here. You know what I'm saying? Crappy. Yeah. Yes, sir. So now you look at this and you'd be like, okay, he's saying that if it's in the 150 range, right, and it can sell for around the 300, he's probably interested. Is that what he was saying?
Yeah.
So this one actually probably will sell if you're looking at this comp, Irene loop. It's pretty similar, but the guy did like as you can see, like a pretty nice flip on it, and it's sold for 270. So let's just say that this 150 we have is can sell for 270. Okay, so I like to put in my calculator. So we got 270. This one is listed at 150, and your guy's 14. Hard money 1% on the loan payment, the loan points. 5 months, 3%. He's probably an agent, so we're good. Closing costs. If the rehab is, let's just say medium rehab, I'm actually going to put the actual numbers in here. Let's say it's a 40K rehab, and you want to make 15K on it, bro. This is a deal right here, according to the numbers. You could make 15K, wholesale to him at 165, and he could flip it. I wonder why this thing's
said a light rehab. He usually is around 30K, and then a full rehab is close to 70.
Okay, so this is a light. I would say this is not such a light rehab.
Yeah, it's not. It's not.
This is more of a, I would say like a medium. So I think 40 is probably spot on. So this thing is active, bro. It's been listed for 3 days. I don't know why it's still on the MLS according to these numbers. Let's freaking call it, huh? Hope that was enlightening for all you guys. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, throw a comment in there. I do look at my comments and I'd love to chat with you, see how you're doing and see what you think about these videos, maybe even what I should do next. But hey, I'd love to see you on the next video. Catch us on the next one. See ya.